Hi, I'm Julie Murphy. I'm the liaison for physics and general science here at Milner Library, although I've been the liaison for just about every science subject here at one point or another, and I can usually help with a topic if it's science related. I entered librarianship because I really love learning, investigating things, and teaching people. When someone comes to me with a question that needs answering, I really enjoy digging into it, investigating, learning something new, and hopefully teaching them something in the process. Seeing the smile on somebody's face when they're walking out with the exact answer that they needed is an amazing feeling, and really it's the best part of my day. I'm available to help you with any stage of your research process, whether it's finding sources, refining a topic, building your citation list, or even finding a journal to submit to. I can help locate books, articles, journals, data sets, or any other kind of resource you might need to help you complete your research project. I'm also available to faculty to come teach your class any kind of information literacy skill you might need, whether it's using databases, finding sources, thinking critically and evaluating them, or any other information literacy need. My collections are all on floor 5, and I'm usually in my office there in room 517. So if you have anything you want to talk about, feel free to just stop by my office and knock on my door. I may not be in my office all day, but you can always catch me via phone or email. If a problem's too complicated for email, we can always meet in person or set up a Zoom appointment. My favorite part of working with Milner is the students and the faculty. The students and the faculty here are just wonderful people. They always ask the most interesting questions, and interacting with them at the reference desk or through consultations is usually the best part of my day. Probably the most interesting question I've been asked recently is when a physics professor needed help finding information around the history of legislation about the superconducting supercollider. My absolute favorite part of being a librarian is working the reference desk and hearing all of the really interesting questions that come in. There's so much variety, and it's different every day. If you need anything at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. I love working with students and faculty, and I can't wait to hear from you.